Hello and welcome back to the channel. Well, I haven't done anything with the garden so far because the weather hasn't been great lately. It hasn't really been warm enough. Sort of temperatures have been hitting 12 to 14 degrees lately. And I've got my compost bags and everything there ready to go. There are some potato plants that have come up. Still got a couple of leek plants right in the far bed there. And there's some kale that has now got flowers on it. Let me just see if I can zoom in on this lot, give you a bit of a closer perspective of it. Still got stuff composting in this bed there. That's the kale I was on about. I've been eating some of the leaves of that, so it's nice to have fresh kale. There are some potato plants that have popped up in there. And there's one in that bed there. I've planted a whole lot of potato seedlings that sort of started growing roots in my kitchen cupboard. And the leeks you can see right there in the far bed, right at the back there. And Speedy the tortoise is still in the picture, and the pirate ship. So yeah, the soil's looking like it needs compost. I need to start getting stuff planted, but I don't know whether it's going to survive because temperature's been dropping. You know, it's been like about 6 degrees in the morning. So that's the status of the garden. I'll show you what my seedlings are looking like next. Right, these are my seedlings that I have on the windowsill. I've got beans here. Planted those on the 8th of May. Was it 8th of May? 8th of April, I should say. But I don't know what's going on with them. These plants, the leaves, some of them are starting to die. I think they may be getting too big for these pots. They're just old peanut butter containers and ice cream containers and so on. There are tomatoes, tomato plants, some pea plants, some more tomato plants there. That pot was supposed to have beans, nothing came up. That one's got 2 bean plants and one of them looks like the leaves got chomped by something. So even the critters get inside the house. And some more bean plants down the end here, 2 in each pot. So that's what I've got lined up in my living room. Those are all the plants that I have ready to go. I'm going to have to plant them out soon. Okay, so these are the plants I have on my kitchen window ledge. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 and a bit pea plants. Gem squash. They're getting too big to be in the house. There's 1, 2, 3 that came up, and then I planted another 3 and 2 came up. So we've got 5 of those at the moment. They are from gem squash that I bought from a South African shop. And then some more pea plants. Those, all of them came up in that container. But again, the leaves are starting to die on some of them like that. So I don't know what's going on with them. You know, they've had plenty of water. Maybe I've been overwatering them. But I think it's time that I planted this stuff outside. And it's going to have to just take its chances with the weather. Because yeah, I'm going to be going on some travels soon. I will be bringing you some videos from a different country that I've never visited before. So look out for those in the near future. Anyway, that's just a short video on the status of my vegetable garden for those that are interested. Thanks for watching. So I hope that you all keep safe and well, and happy gardening or whatever else you're doing. Until the next one, bye bye for now.